let's close this thing. First take 11. Now this one is going in, so we need to go out now. Every time in you have 3 sides in, and then on the outer one only 1 side. So now we have 3, that means that the connection must be made from here to here. Going against the clock. So when you go like that, then close up. Take off another 11, and down is against the clock, so that means up it will be clockwise. And when you go clockwise, you close the 7 down. Oops. Down. Need another 11 for the 3rd layer here. So that's one is clockwise. So clockwise is closing down. And now those need to be joined, and this is the interesting part where you have 5 at the bottom. See how this connects. They want to connect like that, so that means you have to reverse it to connect it here. And as you had to reverse it, this one with just 3 can be joined from here to there without reversing it. This means the whole thing is clockwise. As the whole thing is clockwise, you need to close the 7 down, place it in between, close the whole thing. Now these 3 on the 2nd level need to be reversed like that to match in between, and now the 5 does not need to be reversed. And now we're going anti-clockwise, that means closing up. Was anti-clockwise, so close up. So this one was anti-clockwise, that means this one must be clockwise. Closing down. So over here each time you have 1 edge, 3 edges, 1 edge, 3 edges. On the outside you have 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, etc. Now let's close this one. There's only 1 in between here, and this one has 3, 6, 7. Need to reverse it in this case, because the last time it was clockwise, so now it's anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means closing up. There we go. Now to get the whole thing symmetrical, you can use a stick to see if it's ready. Now with 3 layers it's still not too stable, so it's better to add a 4th layer. Anyway, it works with 3 as well. Now let's see how to make this thing. Suppose you have this with 3 layers, 4 layers, doesn't matter really. To make this, these can be easily made with 5 on the outside, so that means 4 times 7, that's 28, and inside it's 3 times 7, that's 21, so 21 inside, 28 outside. Take another one here. So when you first make those, just check polarity. This is not good, this is good, and you simply close them. Now check polarity here. This is not good. This is the connection you want up there. So when you turn it over, then this is the connection down, so I'll put this one down like that. And just put it in between. So that's pretty easy. Now let's add a 3rd layer. This is incorrect. Okay, so now this can go inside, as the ones inside have different polarity from the ones outside. First you need to check this is right, and when it connects like this, this is the kind of connection you want inside. So as these have different polarity from these, this is not desired right now, so this is what we need to make this fit inside. So you can simply, by turning it over with 3 levels, you can change polarity. If you have 4 levels already and polarity is wrong, then you have to remove 1 level and attach it to the bottom. There we go.